Aloha! Hey, thank you for joining us tonight. My name is Steve.
My name is
Patricia, and you are watching Maui Travel Videos. Hear the chicken in the back?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we are at one of the places we've never been to before. This is our first time. Really popular, hard to get into. You've got to have a reservation. Oh, there's a chicken right behind us. Where are we at? Of course you know where we're at. It's the place that takes 6 weeks we've had a reservation.
Can't believe it.
Can't believe it. Behind us, Star Noodle. Absolutely, guys. We cannot wait to show you Star Noodle. Let's go. We're going to leave the chicken outside, but we can't wait to show it to you right now. Let's go. Let's go, Patricia.
Go.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, Stop.
All right, the bar special celebration, dirty poho, Asian pear, dragon silk, sangria black, and a bartender's margarita. Here's the starters and the share plates. Noodles, garlic noodles. I think we're gonna go with the scallop shots, the bacon and eggs, the steamed pork buns, the teriyaki, and the wings.
This is your bacon and
I like it.
I think they called and asked about it, but
Aloha.
Aloha, folks. Man, we are stuffed. You full? Yeah?
Yeah.
We had everything, guys. I think we had 6 different things. We had, of course, you got to get the garlic noodles.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
This one is really
Those steamed pork buns, oh my gosh. Let me tell you, the wings, I was really impressed with the wings. We got a teriyaki chicken. Oh, and the scallop shooters. I don't know, those were pretty good. You know, everything's kind of in the $10 to $14 price range. I was really impressed.
Yeah.
We ate a lot of food and we're taking some back with us. You know what? I think, Patricia, we need to come back and show them
Oh, yes.
Star
please,
Noodle
please,
one more
please,
time.
please.
One more time, but we got to get different foods. So we're not going to close out this video. We're going to wait, go to
Yes,
Star to
that's
Noodles in about 2 weeks, get some more food, put that on this video. We'll be right back in just a minute. All right, let's go, Patricia.
Let's go.
Wow, the Vietnamese crepe. Wow. Looks really good.
Yeah.
Adobo Ribs. Hi folks, we just got out of our second visit here to Star Noodle. Let me tell you, we only had 3 things. We had the pad thai, really good,
Yes.
really good pad thai. We also had the adobo ribs. Those were pretty good. But let me tell you, the third thing, that Vietnamese crepe, oh, that was
Awesome.
excellent. Excellent. A little bit like kind of a lettuce wrap kind of thing, but much better. Let me tell you, the Vietnamese the Vietnamese crepe is
Crepe,
what you
yeah,
want to
crepe.
get. I'm sorry, it's the Vietnamese crepe.
Crepe, yeah.
Okay, guys, once again, thanks for being with us. Thanks for watching all about Star Noodle, man. This is a place you got to come to.
Yes.
And like
Make
always,
sure you come here.
you come here and make
Yeah.
sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave some comments. Patricia loves your
Oh,
comments.
yeah. I love to read in comment.
Yeah, and hit that
Oh,
bell.
enjoy it.
Oh man, thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Thank you. You think that's okay?